Hi everyone, it's Artis from Carpentry and Construction Limited. In today's video we're going to review my Mafell M25 Hoover. To be fair, I should have done a video a while ago about this, but didn't come around to do it. So I'm going to start with my own experience. I have had it for 2.5 years now, which I've replaced my Makita one. I still got it. But the trouble with Makita was that because it wasn't auto start, the usage of switch was quite, often doing cuts, etc. because you won't run it for all day. So that got the switch break. And that was basically a weak point of that Hoover. But I bought this one because obviously I use 110 plancho and other tools, and it's got the controls here to set it auto, where you turn your tool on and it will start. Then you got a function to turn it off. Then you get function to turn it manually on, and then you got a function which does control the dust shaking, which I can demonstrate now. So this, when you have this on RA setting, what it will do, when you continuously use your saw, it will automatically turn on shaking the filter if it feels that it is clogged up, and that way you don't have to physically basically get in and clean your filters yourself. So to get to the bag, what you need to do, you open these two flaps here, then you lift it off, and that's where your bag sits. So there's a close open lever. You put it on open to get the bag off. Honestly, I don't think it does a lot, to be fair, but so that's off. Put it on like that and put it in. Close it. So also what you want to have, you want to have your hole on the top of the bag, not on the bottom of the bag, because otherwise it won't fill up correctly and it could come off the suction port, which I have had before. So this basically ensures that this plastic on a fitting of the bag ensures that it gets clipped there by this part here. So it kind of can't slip off basically, and so you can see there is a bit of movement, but it cannot slip off easily. So these are your filters, as you can see. I personally haven't changed them yet. I have blown them out in the past. So put that on. So to open your filters, you need to turn this. I use a flat screwdriver. Something like that. So do that and push, and that's how you can open it to get to your filters. So you need to spin and push, and then here you can get your filters like so. You do need to clean them time and time, just blow with air, really, nothing more. I haven't replaced them since I had this Hoover, and it seems to be working fine, so that hasn't been an issue. So when you clip it in, it'll spring back. Also, you got this hose diameter wheel. Personally, I think it doesn't really affect it that much. It does, what it does, it changes the speed that your Hoover works, but you can't really go above 35 mil because you are restricted with this hole what you got here. So yeah, I don't see how you could go to 49. It just won't have suction. What it will do, it will turn on filter control, so it'll bleep on you saying that there's like a blockage. So this is the rear. So this is the model, etc. Also, what I did get, I got this top part. I believe it was separately. That is to take the boxes. So as you can see here, those to take the boxes, etc. It does come off. Like so. So that's how it comes off. So you can give it a clean, etc. So that's that. So yeah, as I mentioned before, this is to control the suction. So if you start going beyond 35, it starts screaming at you that there's like a blockage, which obviously you don't have. Just means the motor is struggling, and it doesn't really change the suction that much beyond 35. Obviously, because you can't really work. But yeah, I use it with my plunge saw, with sanders, when I got sanders, you know, with everything basically. My only complaint would be expensive replacement bags, but I will give you a hack. You can buy bags from Bosch Hoover, same sort of 25 M model Bosch Hoovers, because those bags will fit Mafell and they're half the price. And the other complaint is the hose, I would say, is a bit too small. It could have been bigger diameter, so you do get better suction. So that's the difference with Makita. It had a bigger hose diameter, so the actual hose inner size was the outer size of this hose. So that is my only complaint really. But so far, yeah, it's been fine. Worked without any trouble, and yeah, been enjoying it. So has been doing its job well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch up with you in my next videos.